So this video I'm not making only for GATE 2025, the upcoming GATE exam. This is going to be a universal video. This video anyone can watch like in any GATE attempt. So guys, getting first rank in any exam is a very different thing. You can be a richest person, you can be very powerful person, you can be very intelligent as well, you can have very good smart brain, but still getting first rank in any exam depends on many factors. You agree with this? Understand one thing, in my coaching center there are so many students, they have very good potential, but it's like I can't say like strongly that they are going to get first rank. Getting first rank in GATE aerospace exam is again not everyone's cup of tea. If you are really average student, you can never get first rank. Now I will tell you what I have seen in last few years, what I know about myself, what I know about my seniors, my juniors, my students of GATE aerospace exam, before going into detailed discussion about this. And this video will definitely add value in your GATE preparation of the upcoming years. And I will discuss very practical points, and those points, if you will add in your life, you can place yourself in top 10, and a person who can come into top 10, that person will definitely become first ranker. But again, some important points you notice in this video and you make notes. See, first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Vikash Kumar Shrivastav. I have qualified GATE exam 6 times, and maybe this year also I will add this, then I will be qualifying GATE exam 7th time. I am an IITian, and I am running this ConceptLibrary coaching center from last it was 2014 when I had my first batch for GATE aerospace. I taught, and this is my own coaching. It's not like it is running by someone else and I am teaching here as a teacher. No, it is my own coaching and I teach all the subjects. And this video I am making immediately after GATE aerospace 2024 exam. It was on 10th Feb and today is 12th Feb. So from last 2-3 days I am talking back to back to all my students on phone call. I am spending time with them, and I am trying to understand what is their feedback about their own preparation, what are the things they can add in what they feel now immediately after having GATE aerospace exam 2024, and what they want from me, because it's been 10-11 years. See, qualifying GATE exam and teaching GATE students, solving different types of doubts, and almost every year taking GATE exam question paper live, and like it is giving me a very different type of experience. That's why I consider myself as a very good, you can say, coach or guide for GATE aerospace exam preparation. So guys, first of all, if you are planning to prepare for GATE exam, you can join my coaching for GATE aerospace coaching, right? ConceptLibrary. My students call me Viru sir. You have my number, WhatsApp number 6380135260. Don't call me directly and don't say that sir I want to join. You just give me your name, in which college you are, what is your semester, and this is like after your basic intro. Then because then again I have to ask what is your name, in which college you are. So give me a basic detail properly, and then we can have our conversation, and if there will be need, we will come on the audio call. Now see, understand, and share this video to your juniors, seniors, and whoever is willing to prepare for GATE exam. It can be for aero student, aeronautical aerospace, or it can also be for non-aero students like CS, mechanical or civil, or someone, but they are interested in GATE aerospace. They can contact me for GATE aerospace preparation. You can be in first year, you can be in second year, you can be in third year, you can be in final year, or pass out students. I teach from basics, so anyone can join me. Okay, and fee structure is also not very heavy. You can afford the fees. So now let's go for this. How will you target for the first rank? So saying this as a first rank is not sounding very practical. So it's better I am saying this as getting 80 marks. Today I was talking to one of my students her name is Banani Mandal. She is in I think she is in Hindustan University Chennai. So she is very good student, and simply after when I was talking to her, then I got this idea that not only to her, I should also share this idea to students who are watching me regularly, and they are trusting in my videos, and they are showing faith about knowledge what I am sharing here, and my videos are adding value in their preparation. Let's do in this way. When this year you guys took GATE exam, many of you, right? What did you feel? You felt that question paper was easy as compared to the other questions. I will say in this way. When I made my first video regarding this exam 202 for review, that time I said question paper is easy. But understand, even though question paper is easy, but everyone is not able, everyone means prepared student who prepared 1 year, 2 year. Even though those students are not able to touch 70 plus, why? Let's do survey in yourself. What else you need? Concept wise, everyone is ready. But everyone is not ready at which see, to get 80 marks, you need so many things. Now list down everything. Okay? As per my experience, you just note down what you need. You need 100% preparation. You cannot get, because from which corner, which question will come, easy question will come, tough question will come, you don't know. So prepare 100% syllabus. And one thing, preparing GATE for 1 year, if you are in some second year college, third year college, it's very difficult to achieve 80 marks after 1 year of preparation. I'm not saying impossible, but I see some of the third tier colleges, some of the second tier colleges, and including some IITs also, because every student is not super genius sitting in the IITs. Some students are really good, but everyone is not super genius sitting into IITs or NITs. Okay. And same way, every student is not average student sitting in third tier or second tier college. In second tier and third tier colleges also, I have seen very brilliant students, and somehow they could not qualify IIT JEE exam, because I also believe that, and that's why they are not sitting into IIT and IT, but their potential, their capability, their thought process, their smartness about the academics is of that level. Okay. And why it happens? Because maybe in our when we are in 9th class, 10th class or 11th class, we are not that much serious about JEE preparation, and that's why we don't. And when we come to know about JEE preparation, we hurry, we rush, but we have less time, so we don't do enough preparation. Same thing goes for GATE aerospace exam. Everything matters. When are you planning to be serious about GATE aerospace preparation? Okay. How much dedication you can show about GATE aerospace preparation? See, guidance is very, very important. Regularity is very, very important. Okay. After watching my videos, whatever important points you are getting, just note down. See, guidance means coaching center, but again I am saying it's not like coaching is mandatory to become in top 10. You can do this by self-study also, but problem is in self-study you have to involve yourself so much. Coaching guides you. Like I will guide you, okay, this is your topic, what I will be teaching you, this is your concept is clear, now this is your assignment, solve this, this is a solution, watch this, if you have doubt, ask me, this is the test series, solve this, topic wise, subject wise, full length, all that, everything is there, I will give to you, read this, and if you have doubt, come to me. So you'll be faster, So your job is not to search the content, your job is, this is the content, I learned and now I have to practice and ask doubts to me. That's all. So if you are in this phase, you will be faster. Again, I am not comparing self-study students with coaching students. There are situations when self-study students can do far better than a coaching candidate, because brain is brain. Okay. So leave this. I will talk on average. Do not consider that, sir, no sir, I can do this, I can do that. No, now I will talk average. On average, what is the situation? So see, you have to follow a very strict rule when you are preparing for GATE aerospace exam. What do you mean by strict rule? For 2 years, minimum 2 years, I am saying, I am talking on average, minimum 2 years involvement you have to show when you know everything at your college level. After that you have to spend minimum 2 years to become to get 80 marks. I am targeting 80 marks. Now see again what happens when you see a big question on the screen suddenly in the GATE exam. When you, that big question, graph is there, diagram is there, so many words are written there, this much big question you see on your GATE exam screen, what kind of mentality should come in your mind? Mostly what happens, oh, this question is big, I don't know will I be able to solve. Centrifugal compressor I am seeing, oh, twisting moment, these moments, okay, leave this question, go ahead. So you have to, so now point one, you have to practice very hard, very lengthy questions. Why hard and lengthy questions? It's not like this is the GATE level. No. This is not the GATE level. My point is, if you are solving hard, lengthy and tough problems, it will improve your involvement with the question. For so many minutes, you will be able to engage yourself with the question and with the concepts. In case of a one-liner easy question, what happens? You will only solve that much, brain is involved for a small time and that's all done. But see guys, this kind of question you should not solve in GATE test series. I am telling you why. GATE test series should be exactly of that level what they are asking in GATE exam. Okay? In GATE exam, some questions, now again I will summarize what I am trying to say. Actually I am going here and there. Let me come again. From 0 marks to 80 marks. This should be your target. From 80 marks to 100 marks. Some tough questions will be there. I am targeting those tough questions. There can be a situation when you have, suppose this year you had easy exam. Suppose 1 year you have tough exam. Now compare this. If you have easy exam, then average student also will score 50 marks, 45 marks. Right? And if you have easy exam, a good student is sitting in easy exam, good means really good, and if that student is doing mistakes, because mistakes can happen, that's what I was talking to my students. Some students, they have potential to get 60 plus marks, but they are getting 45 marks, 48 marks. Why? Because they have done mistake. It means what? A good student will also do mistakes. So if a good student is doing mistake, but average student who is attempting less question, if he or she is not doing mistake, then both are at same level now. It means a good student should practice some more questions because he or she is good. So these people, they deserve to solve more tough questions because only tough questions can filter this level and good or very good students can come here. Otherwise, they will also be like an average student. So what kind of preparation you should do if you want to go to the at that level of 80 marks, in that range, like 78 marks, 80 marks, 81 marks, that kind of marks if you want in GATE aerospace exam. Why I am taking 80? Because in most of the time, first ranker will be close to 80. First ranker in most of the GATE aerospace results, close to the 80. Okay, so your target should be 80 marks. Whenever you are preparing or watching this video, your target should be 80 marks out of 100. And you know what? It is very, very difficult to collect marks in real GATE exam and to reach till 80 marks. If you want to reach till 80 marks, first of all, your focus should be very, very strong. Like 3 hours of focus should be very strong. And what kind of student you have to be? Suppose this is the small easy question. Then read the small easy question, and before going to the options, you should know that this can be the right answer and look that answer is there or not. Okay. For example, I was solving this year 2024 question paper in exam hall. So there was a question, a trans fat, saturated fat, the pie chart and all was there. 5%, 20%, some data was there. When I solved, answer came 100. So when answer was 100, that time that answer was fourth answer. That answer was fourth answer in the option. So that option was not visible on my screen. So I scrolled and then I saw 100 there. I mean to say that in easy questions, almost you have to be sure that this answer is correct answer. But what happens in weak preparation or average student, he or she will not be enough confident in easy question also. So first of all, you have to be very, very good student, so that just read the question, I know that this is the answer, just go to the next question. And when the tough question comes in exam, that tough question is the key to reach in 80s. Because every student will not solve tough question. Tough question, what makes a question tough? I am classifying in two categories. One category is question will have so much data, question demands 2 or 3 formulas, question demands very good fundamental at the topic. This makes a question very good question. Now, from student side also a question can be tough question. Why? Because student will spend more time on the question. Student will read same question 3-4 times to understand what question is trying to say. It means this question is relatively tough because student is not having enough IQ, student is not having enough potential to read the question and understand in first attempt. Okay, so what will happen in this condition? How will you improve this part? You will improve this part by solving similar questions many times. Now question comes, now this doubt comes, sir, how will I know similar questions in the beginning itself if I don't know the question in GATE exam? Because in GATE exam new questions will come. So now idea is, means you have to solve as max numbers of questions as possible. Okay, how will you solve? How will you get those questions? Where will you roam here and there? So now for that coaching will help you. I will help you a lot in this situation. I will be assigning you that, okay, tonight without solving these 3 problems, don't sleep. So that kind of dedication level will come automatically. So much involvement is required. Now, like she was asking on phone call, my student Banani, that sir, what is the lifestyle of that student who is getting first rank, 80 marks, 85 marks, 75 marks, this kind. See guys, see. You can also ask the same question, sir, what kind of lifestyle that student is having who is getting 45 marks or 40 marks. See, a student who is getting 40 marks or 45 marks, why are they getting 45 and 45 marks but they are not able to get remaining 60 marks, remaining 20 marks? So answer is there. Lack of practice, or I will say not enough practice, or you don't know that whatever you are practicing, that is actually not sufficient to reach to the 80 marks. Okay, in my coaching center, roughly 90% students, when they join me, I am saying 90%. See, whoever is in my coaching center and watching this video, don't feel that I am talking very rudely. I am saying this is my experience. Roughly 90% students, they come from very poor academic background. I am not saying economically poor, very poor academic background. So see, of course, that's why they are joining the coaching, because they are coming from the poor background. So my point is, how much you will improve in 1 year or 2 years? How much you will improve? Right now, if I will ask you that y is equal to tan x and y is equal to tan inverse x, what will be the solution of this? This is a basic question. What will be the solution of this? If I'll ask y is equal to tan x, y is equal to x, what will be the solution of this? So see, what many, like in my coaching center also, some students are at very down level. I have to work with them, but problem is how much they can improve. That is like hidden power in themselves. How much will they improve? See guys, if you have not studied well in 9th and 10th, if you have not studied well in 11th and 12th, then there is lot of things you have to improve in your GATE preparation. Because if you have not done these 4 years very well, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, then during GATE preparation, you have to learn log formulas, log concepts. You have to learn different types of inverse functions. You have to learn so much basic mathematics of integrations and differentiations. Lot of things you have to improve. And do you think you can improve in 1 week? No. You will take minimum 2 months, whatever topics I have said. So it means what? A student who is getting 80 marks, he or she is already good at fundamental basics. I am saying this integration, differentiation, logarithmic, indexes, they are super good. Now understand. When I wrote, this has happened this year. When I write this equation, P2 by P1 is equal to T2 by T1 whole power gamma by gamma minus 1. This expression becomes very tough for the students when I say them calculate T2 from this equation. Find out P2 by P1 ratio, T1 is given, and calculate P2 from, this becomes very like, sir, index is there, gamma by gamma minus 1 is there. So these kind of problems you can never be in top 80. So you have to work here. So what is the solution of this? How will you improve yourself? So first thing, I will demand time. Do you have that time that you can improve your basics also and you can improve your core of aerospace also? Do you have time? So if you say that, sir, I have time, then I have plan. Simple. If you have time, I have plan. Now point. You have time, I have plan, I have content, what to study, what to practice. Now, do you have that much potential? Like whatever I am giving, you are able to practice. I am talking very practically. How will you know that you have that potential or not? Without doing this, you can't know that you have potential or not. Right? Because when you practice, 2-3 things you improve at a time. First thing, your knowledge. Next thing, you sit and practice. So that habit of involving yourself with the tough questions, that will improve, and that is needed. And nowadays, without having IQ, you can never cross 55-60 marks. No, IQ is very, very important. What kind of IQ? IQ means that's what you have general ability test or these things in GATE exam. IQ means you understand what I'm saying. See, this year also, many questions were especially made for GATE aerospace students. They will make you happy. Really, in exam hall itself, you will feel happy. You will feel fulfilled after solving those questions. I will just name those questions. You remember there was a question. I'm talking about the GATE 2024. Just now, before 2 days, we all have taken that paper. This video is being lengthy, but it is interesting to talk. That's what I'm talking. The wedge was there and oblique shockwave was there, M1, M2, M3. This option was there, right? This was very good question. And you remember there was a CD nozzle problem. Supersonic flow was coming, and they asked at the throat it will be supersonic flow or sonic flow or something. Option was there. You remember in flight mechanics you had the rudder problem. Aircraft will align itself, nose and blah blah things. One engine fails, then rudder helps. Like these are very beautiful questions. Okay. Other than that, you have check remaining papers. You have tough problems. So coming into 80 needs, there is no shortcut, guys. There is no shortcut. Whatever I am talking, you have to follow that. You have to solve big, lengthy and tough problems, but it should not go out of GATE context. One more thing, I don't want to defame any coaching center because I am also running a coaching center. So I know how much it takes to run a coaching center, to involve with the students and to do what you are promising. But there are some coaching centers for GATE aerospace, already there are less, but some coaching, what they do, their test series used to be very, very tough. So what I'm saying, practice tough, but test series should not be tough. Why? Test series should be of GATE exam level. Then only student will be able to evaluate themselves. Because I believe in one more thing, only motivation is not sufficient, knowledge must be there. But if you have knowledge, but you are highly demotivated, then your performance will go down. It means a coaching center, I'm not giving gyan on how to run a coaching center. I'm just saying that your practice should be very strong. Very, very tough questions you practice. And I will also talk some more things about aptitude in math. So be here in the video. But when you're solving the test series, that test series, first of all, the test series should be completely all right. Solutions should be given in the test series. Still, some people, they say sell their GATE aerospace test series, but they don't give solution. So I strictly say that do not when I was preparing for GATE exam, in like serious GATE exam in my time, after being IITian, I feel very different about my vision changed about to seeing the world and to seeing you guys. Till now you have not been into IIT, but when you will join the IIT, what will you do after joining IIT? Your masters and PhD, right? Many of you will go further beyond this. You will involve yourself into research, and our country and this world need a better quality researchers to improve a lot into aerospace department. Who can do that? Who has got enough interest during GATE preparation about the topic? when you will prepare complete year for all the subjects, then you will understand that in which subject you have real taste. You love structure more, or you are liking propulsion more, or you want to die with by setting your name that he is the best person for flight mechanics or aerodynamics or something like that. What kind of mindset you achieve, you will learn after preparation. GATE. See, one more thing, GATE Aerospace is not only about qualifying the GATE Aerospace. When you prepare with me, you also enjoy the taste of all the subjects. You learn them. You qualify GATE exam or not doesn't matter, because one more thing, in my coaching center also many students, they don't qualify GATE exam. I feel very bad and sorry about them. They pay fees and they don't qualify when they don't qualify GATE exam. But one thing, they never disrespect me, and they never say bad thing about my coaching. Why? Because they have learned a lot. You guys spend so many lakhs, 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 20 lakhs in colleges to get the degree. And when you join coaching center, you pay me some thousands and you learn more. You learn the concepts. It means what? That's why even though some students, when they don't qualify GATE exam, they talk to me or not after that. That depends what was the harmony during the preparation, because many students, they don't follow my words when they join me, when I say them that prepare this, prepare that, prepare this, prepare that. So someone is saying that, sir, semester exam is going on, sir, internship is going on, sir, I'm not able to complete your task, this, that, and they drag all these things till their end of the GATE exam, and they don't complete the work of the task what I give, and because of that our relation slowly becomes weak, and somehow they write the GATE exam, and after that they don't talk to me, because you understand the practicality of the GATE preparation. Okay, but one thing, no one says bad things about my coaching, because they learn, really they love the concepts what I teach. And I will advise you, spend few days on my YouTube channel, okay, and you see some full length videos of my live class I have uploaded. You will understand the way I teach. See, when I post any video on YouTube, two clear intentions I have. One thing, you should be, after watching this video, you should be aware with the gravity of GATE Aerospace preparation. At the same time, I want that I should reach to as max as possible students, because see, why I am still teaching for GATE Aerospace, why I am not working from that time itself, when I was in my UG engineering BTech, that time itself I decided I will not go to any industry for the job and these things, because when I was learning the concepts, then one thing was in my mind, the way and how much struggle I have done to learn this particular concept. And if I go to any industry, and then so it's better to teach these concepts and in return ask money from the students, so that I can pursue my career as a teacher, and I can also live healthy life, and I can also earn some money, and in return I can teach them concepts. This is what is happening nowadays. When you guys pay me fees, that becomes my main source of income, and with that I earn, I eat, I enjoy my basic lifestyle, and I send some money to my parents also, and whoever is related to me based on my money, these things. And one more thing I want to say here, I have also met those kind of bad students in my, it's not like everything is going good. I have met those kind of bad, they say, sir, this much money and remaining installment, blah blah, and after, because in the beginning I take tough subjects like propulsion and structure. Why I take tough subjects in the beginning itself? Because if I will finish the tough subjects, then remaining months will be there for you to practice them better. And some students, they cheat me. What they do, they will say that, sir, okay, this installment I will pay this month and this month, this month. They finish this, and then after that they don't reply at all to my WhatsApp messages when I ask for the fees. So I also meet these kind of situations. But it's fine, loopholes are there, different types of people are there, but these kind of hurt when I get like, okay, why this after teaching. whole day and night they will be asking. Suppose propulsion is going on, they will call me and they will ask CD nozzle doubts and this, that and everything. And because I know I have to teach them, at the same time, if I will not teach them, okay, it makes no sense that I say I will teach them. Some installments are there. I know that that installment will be paid to me, and based on my future coming installments, I plan my future. For example, EMIs and those things, like, okay, this much money is about to come. So one more side is there when you run a coaching center. That money doesn't come. And I have also seen those students. They say that, sir, I don't have money right now. I want to continue with you. So they pay some small amount and they continue. And I know one student, he studied completely 1 year. And whole year he used to say, sir, I'll pay, but he was not having money. And so I thought, it's fine, man. But he was showing very good result in the classroom. Very, very good result. He was coming to live class. He was solving on all the questions, and he was like behaving very good. The way I wanted him to work, he was wanting. He was doing that. He went to IIT Kanpur. After spending 1 semester in IIT Kanpur, then he paid my 10,000 rupees. So I have this kind of stories also. It is really good. So money wise and all, it's fine, man. And see, you believe in God, you believe in karma, those things, that is different thing. So I hope you understand that getting 80 marks needs so much dedication. How much dedication? I'll tell you. Only GATE Aerospace should run in your mind. Now come to the aptitude and mathematics part. See, for example, in this year 2024, they asked one median question. They gave some data and they asked, find the median of this. And meanwhile, because from so many months, this median formula was not in my mind. Because I used to teach in the beginning itself, apti part. This median formula was not from long month, and I didn't revise median, and because I was not expecting they will ask median. They asked median and I forgot median formula. And many of my students, they forgot median formula. So one student said, sir, no, I was able to recall mode formula, but not the median formula. But many of students, they did that question. So I could not do median formula. I'm talking about the GATE 2024 question paper. Right, data was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 2 times, and then 13 was also there, 12 was not there, and last one was 16 and 16 something, 24. These are data. Okay, so in case of aptitude and mathematics, guys, practice one complete year, aptitude and mathematics, one full complete year. In my coaching center, every year I go and I attend a GATE question paper. Every year I meet new student. Every year I modify, like in my pattern, in my teaching pattern, not the concept that, like, okay, even I can include this one, even I can include this one. And whatever workload we have to finish to get 80 marks, that workload you cannot compromise. You don't have enough time, that is your problem. Try to understand. So you have to find time, and if you will not find time, then how will you grow in the subject? And if you will not grow in the subject, then do you remember that there was one time when you decided that I have to become aeronautical aerospace engineer? Maybe because you saw some astronaut in the suit, maybe you saw some NASA, ISRO, these things, JAXA and all, maybe you saw some fighter aircrafts. Guys, you know who built them? You understand, right? They are master in their subjects. In future, when you will qualify GATE exam, you will do mtech, MS, PhD, and after that, whatever you want to do. And when you will become researcher, or when you will work in very reputed companies, or you may open your own company. So all these things require hard work, involvement, knowledge, smartness, proper strategy, regularity, proper guidance, and money also, everything. So like I said, if you have not worked enough in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th class, two things you have lost. One thing, knowledge. Next thing, habit. For example, I will compare one thing. My friends and me, we were from Hindi medium background, UP board, okay, in Uttar Pradesh. We were from Hindi medium background, UP board. And that time, some of our friends, they were in CBSE board. So I saw one, I don't want to say that board was wrong, or I want to say that, see, things depends on parents also. So my parents, they used to make me to sit on time to do my homework at home. I had play schedule, I had like how we grow a child. I feel that I was on right track. But many of my students, friends in my childhood, when I used to come back after play, they were still playing. I used to go school with homework, but they used to go school without doing homework. So it's not like you are just cheating the homework. It is also about the habit. That habit will grow, and then only you will reach some, because see, in your upcoming life, don't take a negative way, but in your upcoming life, few months you are going to spend very lonely when you are preparing for GATE aerospace exam. That time, self-discipline will make you to feel wow, and every day you will be learning new things. I hope these things make sense. Okay, so this video is going very lengthy. I hope you have learned a lot with the video. So you guys contact me immediately for your GATE aerospace preparation. Believe me, I will give you best advice, best content, and I will teach you very nicely. You do one more thing, search on my YouTube channel, GATE aerospace 2023 day 1 class concept library. The day 1 class is there. GATE aerospace 2024, 2022 day 1 class, day 2 class, day 3 class concept library, Viru sir. That is video is there. So after going through the video, you can see the way I am teaching. Okay, and share this video, also put on a status and blah blah things, and be very humble and be very confident that yes, you can do it. Getting 80 marks is not easy. You need lot of involvement, and if you can't commit time for yourself, forget about all these things. You have so many other things to do. First do that and then come to GATE preparation. But once you are coming to GATE preparation, remember my line I say to everyone, you have to work like machine if you want your result like machine. There will be one result day. Today we are talking about preparation. There will be one result day when on the screen you will put your roll number of GATE exam and then put enter, and rank will appear not qualified. Or for some other students, put roll number, enter, GATE rank will come, second rank, third rank, first rank, fifth rank, 20th rank. So you have to keep yourself on this track. See, both things are important. Knowledge is important, motivation is important. Without knowledge, motivation is nothing. Even though if you don't have enough motivation but you have knowledge, you can do better in GATE exam. But again, if you are highly motivated, if you are positive, you have knowledge also, you will be better than others. Okay, best of luck to all of you. Contact me.